Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tato Matsuso, and today I have my automatic pressure sensor, which will help the community to save water in the municipality to save water, as my project will be solving problem based on the pipelines, the blasting of pipelines. Okay. Yeah. Let me introduce you to my components of my project. I have the source, which is my Arduino Uno, and the LCD, which will display the humidity and the temperature. And I also have three sensors, which is the levels, the flow sensor, the temperature sensor, and the ultrasonic sensor. The ultrasonic sensor, which will detect the motion of the now I have my ultrasonic sensor, which will detect the level of water when it reaches a certain level in the pipeline. And I also have the temperature sensor, which will detect or sense the temperature of the pipeline, as this blasting of pipelines happens when the temperature of the pipeline is low. And I also have my ESP, where the data of all this will be recorded. And also I have the relay. The relay will act as a switch, which will control my servo motor. So okay, my ultrasonic sensor will sense the motion of the water when water reaches, in other words, when water reaches a certain level, it will flash the red LED. Water reaches a certain level in the pipeline, the ultrasonic sensor will flash the red LED, as to indicate that the water has passed a certain required level. The red LED is flashing, and the serial mode. I also have my temperature sensor, which will be responsible for the temperature and the humidity, the temperature of the pipeline. In this case, we have the room temperature, which is 23 degrees Celsius. When the temperature of the temperature sensor or the pipeline decreases to 18%, the red LED will light, and it will send the signal or the information to the ESP 8266, so that people who are responsible for the pipelines will be notified. In that case, when the temperature is below 18 degrees Celsius, the servo motor will close the pipeline, so that there will be no water flowing through the pipe, and that will be controlled by the relay, which is 5 volts. And I also have my flow sensor, which will control the movement of water in the pipeline and measure the level of water in the pipeline. So in this case, all the data will be stored here: the data of the flow meter, the data of the temperature sensor, and the data of the so the serial monitor will store all the data that I've just said. So so in this case, that's where my data is stored from the ESP. We have the temperature sensor, the data of the temperature sensor, how the temperature is measured from the pipeline. And we also have the ultrasonic sensor, which in this case measures the level of water in the pipeline. In short, that's how my project will function. Thank you. Bye bye.